One way to naturally whiten yellow teeth at home. Hi guys, welcome back to Aroma Talks. Today I'm going to show you one of the best effective ways how you can naturally whiten your teeth without destroying your enamel. Before you watch this video, please take a moment, just subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon also. You will be the first to know when I upload new videos. So our first ingredient is sea salt. It has antibacterial properties, which freshens your breath and protects your enamel. Then the next ingredient is lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is known for lightening teeth. Then the third ingredient we're gonna need is toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste of your choice. So let's go ahead and mix half a tablespoon of sea salt. Add some freshly squeezed lemon juice with a small amount of toothpaste in a bowl. Lemons have antibacterial properties that kill the microorganisms living in your mouth. But if you have problems with your teeth, at-home whitening may not be for you. You can always check with your dentist before health to make sure. So our mixture is ready now. Go ahead and apply it to your teeth and leave it on for a minute before rinsing your mouth thoroughly. Well, let's go ahead and rinse it off. And you can repeat this 1 to 2 times a week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.